Hello friends, so you've been hearing about NFTs 1,000 times a day but have no idea on how to get started. Well, don't worry, I got you. Because in this video, I'm going to talk about the 4 things that can help you kickstart your NFT journey. Let's get started.
The first thing that you need to do is to create a digital wallet. You see, NFTs are part of a completely new version of the internet. It's called Web 3.0 and it's not relevant to this video. What's relevant is that you need a digital wallet to enjoy the privileges of the new internet. There are multiple wallets available for you to use completely free of cost. However, the wallet that I use is called Metamask. It's one of the most popular Ethereum wallets and I find it very easy to use. All you need to do is download its extension and then set up a new wallet. You'll be given a seed phrase that you need to protect as your life depends on it, because whoever gets their hands on this phrase can basically steal everything from your wallet. Once your wallet is set up, you need some ETH to get started.
There are 2 ways to do that.
The first is buying ETH from your credit or debit card directly through Metamask. And the second way is to transfer your existing ETH from a cryptocurrency exchange directly to your Metamask wallet. I've also attached a few step-by-step guides in the description if you're feeling confused at any of these processes. Once you get these funds in your wallet, you're now ready to rock and roll.
But you still need to know the hottest new NFT projects to get into. And for that, you need to join the coveted NFT community. As exclusive as I made it sound, the NFT community exists publicly and everyone is invited.
The community mostly hangs out on 2 major platforms, Twitter and Discord. So let's get those set up real quick. Write something funny in your bio and start discovering the community through the following hashtags. Follow everyone you find inspiring,
And before you know it, your normal Twitter feed would convert into a dedicated NFT feed.
The next step is for you to create a Discord account. Most NFT projects have their own dedicated Discord servers, so join all of them. You can always leave later.
Once you're done with this, pat yourself on the back, like this. A little less aggressively though, because now you're part of the conversation.
The third thing that you need to do to get started is start following NFT news resources. These resources will bring you the latest news, potential projects, and trends being followed in the NFT space. There are a lot of resources that you can follow, but the following are my favorites. Number 1, Matty or DCLBlogger. Matty is an NFT veteran and brings his followers tons of valuable information through his Twitter and his YouTube channel. Follow him to get your daily dose of NFT motivation. Number 2, the Defiant. It's a high-quality crypto news blog and a YouTube channel. They're known for creating highly detailed content around NFTs. I learned all the basic concepts of NFTs from their YouTube channel. Number 3 is Hunter. Hunter is one of the most impressive individuals that I've come across. His almost regular show called The Morning Mints covers all the major highlights of the NFT space, and he also covers a few potential projects that you might have missed. Number 4 is Kyla. Kyla specializes in combining traditional economic concepts with crypto concepts, successfully bridging the gap between the old and the new. Kyla has inspired me to think of NFTs as an extension to what already exists rather than some unknown concept.
Educating yourself on NFTs would for sure be the most important decision that you'll make at the start of your journey. Amongst other things, this will help you find your personal space in the NFT community.
The final thing that you need to do is get familiar with NFT platforms and marketplaces. OpenSea is by far the most popular NFT marketplace. It has a very diverse set of NFTs, which includes art, music, photography, and film. Rarible is another popular marketplace for NFTs. Foundation is also a highly sought after NFT marketplace that accepts artists on an invitation basis. SuperRare is even more particular in choosing the artists on their platforms, so they have a curation of very high quality NFT art. Other platforms includes Known Origin, which is very artist centric, and Mintable, which allows free minting.
If you're able to do all the things that I've mentioned, you'd be kickstarting your NFT career with a bang. The path forward is the one that you choose for yourself. The world is your oyster, or whatever Shakespeare said about taking opportunities.